Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P40, and today I'll show you how to block a number. So to get started, let's open up the dialer app, and from here, either if you have contacts that have contacted you, numbers, whatever it is, provided right here that you wish to block. Let me just try to create one as a fake one. Okay, there we go. So assuming you have a contact that called you and you wish to block it, all you need to do is tap on the information, I believe, and from here more, and block contact. So there it is, and then you can see it's blocked. I believe you can also do it by holding it, and from here you have, there it is. So where I have right now, remove from blacklist, you would have basically add to blacklist. This is just because the contact is already blocked, so that's why it gives me the opposite of it, so I can unblock it if I wish to. And also we can go into the three dots right here and blocked, and then you have also call block rules, which you can set how it blocks things. So block all incoming calls, block unknown numbers, or block private withheld numbers. Probably this one would be the best one, the last one. Blocking all incoming calls seems kind of redundant, so basically block everybody. Block unknown numbers also, I wouldn't call it the best, because for instance someone that you didn't add to your contacts might want to call you, someone that you know, for instance, and you didn't just save their number, will be blocked automatically. So it seems kind of also like a excessive way of blocking numbers. And then you have also blocking messages, so block unknown numbers, which that basically means no one from your, apart from your contact list, will be able to message you. And I believe there should be also a, there we go, if we go into the settings over there, you can see the blacklist, which will provide all the contacts that you have blocked. And right now there is only one, and from here you can also tap on the number, I believe, or hold it, there we go, and you can remove it. So remove, and this will remove the number from blacklist, and the number will be able to call you once more. So that is basically how you would block, unblock, and go to the settings of this blocking procedures. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.